Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JJ and today we're opening online packs. Yes, online packs. We have Black and White series Boundaries Cross. I think that's how you call it. And 5 Hidden Fates because Hidden Fates is the favorite one. So we're gonna start. We're gonna start by doing one. It'll be one on one. Let's see our first. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is my first opening online. Coco did one. I think it was on Instagram. First card is Jellicent. In this set we can get this Rocky Helmet, Secret Rare, and we can get a few Chinese like Terrakion, Altaria, Shiny. Now, first Hidden Fates. Let's see if we get a shiny Charizard here. Let's see. Boom! Erica's Hospitality. Some new cards for me. Let's see. This Black and White set, I think I opened in the real life like 5 packs. Wasn't into Pokemon that much. And this set came out. Sandslash, Sand-Attack, Earthquake, and our hit is Shaman. Oh, Call for Family. Cool. Let's go for Hidden Fates. This is exciting online. Let's see, Weezing, Misty's Determination, and boom, Zapdos. We have a lot of this in real life from our openings in the channel. But like I said, I don't have a lot of online. Let's see. We have doubles, Oddish, Electabuzz. We have Emboar and Golduck. Let's see. We have 3 Hidden Fates, guys. 3 Hidden Fates. I'm so excited because Cosmic Eclipse is around the corner, and Coco and I we're gonna buy like a lot of stuff for that booster box. And I put my face camera so you can see my reactions because people been wondering what were my reactions, like my face when I got that shiny Charizard. So we have a little bit of vintage-ish cards with the black and white sets. Talo, my friend Talo. Let's see what else we have. 2 more for Hidden Fates. I hope I get at least a shiny online. Let's see. Charmander, Scyther, we got a Snorlax, and a shiny Celesteela. Not GX, but still shiny, guys. It has Moonraker. If this total both players remaining price card is exactly 6, this attack can be used for steal. Good. So the last one, I'm gonna finish first all the Black and White, and the last pack it will be Hidden Fates. Let's see if we have last pack magic. Sandslash. Ooh, White Kyurem. And Black Kyurem. Nice. So double hit. Let's open another one. Cool cards. Delibird, Baneri, and Musharna. 3 more packets for this set, guys. Let's see. Mandibas. Computer search this card. It is well known and expanded. And Lillian. Come on. No hits for this set. Come on. Toxicroak. I like this rival. Pokeball and Spoink. This one and one more. Leave down in the comments below which Pokemon is your favorite from this gen, Black and White. Boom, Serperior. I like the hollow effect in this one. Last pack, Magic, Squirtle, no Charmander, and Toxicroak. No hits for this set, guys. Skylight, you can get a full art here. Last one for Hidden Fates. Last pack, Magic Online. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, Gyarados GX and boom, double hit. Lycanroc GX shiny. Last pack Magic in full effect. Awesome, awesome. Love this, guys. So this was my opening online. If you guys this type of video, if you like this type of videos, just let me know in the comments down below. Leave us a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.